Welcome to Vibrational Living's live cell microscopic testing of the water band. Live cell microscopic testing allows you to view the actual structure and flow of live red blood cells. Red blood cells are very important in that they carry oxygen from your lungs to all your cells, tissues, glands, and organs. Red blood cells also carry carbon dioxide out of the cells and back to the lungs. Needless to say, red blood cells are of paramount importance. The testing procedure is as follows. We choose 12 adults at random and had them drink 6 ounces of room temperature commercial bottled water without the water band attached. 10 minutes later, we drew their blood and placed it on a slide to be viewed under the live cell microscope. You will see the slides that say, without the water band. We then had these same people drink 6 ounces of the same kind of commercial bottled water. This time, the bottles had the water band wrapped around the bottle. 10 minutes later, we drew their blood and placed it under the same live cell microscope. These samples are labeled with the water band. Sample A without the water band. What you are looking at are red blood cells. Notice how they are clumped one on top of another like a stack of coins. This is a condition called rouleau. This is an unhealthy state because the red blood cells are not able to freely absorb and deliver oxygen to the cells and collect carbon dioxide to be excreted by the lungs. It may potentially be a precursor to many serious diseases. Sample A with the water band. Here we have the same person's blood after drinking 6 ounces of the same commercial bottled water with the water band. Notice how the red blood cells are totally free-flowing. There is no sign of clumping or rouleau. The red blood cells actually have an energetic glow to them. This is the ideal state of red blood cell formation. Sample B without the water band. Here is another sample of someone drinking 6 ounces of bottled water without the water band. Again, see all the clumping of the red blood cells? Oxygen and carbon dioxide is carried through the body via these red blood cells. Sample B with the water band. Here is the same person drinking 6 ounces of bottled water with the water band. Notice how the red blood cells are now free-flowing, non-sticky, and can flow through the arteries and veins with ease. Oxygen can now be freely delivered to the tissues and carbon dioxide effectively excreted. The central area in each red blood cell is called hemoglobin and carries the oxygen to all cells of the body. Sample C without the water band. Here is the live blood sample of another person after drinking 6 ounces of bottled water without the water band. Red blood cells, again, clumping, moving very slowly, not an ideal state. Sample C with the water band. Here is that same person after drinking 6 ounces of bottled water that is energized using the water band. Notice the dramatic difference in the red blood cells. There is no clumping or rouleau. The red blood cells are freely moving, able to deliver vital oxygen to all cells of the body. The water band has the same vibrational frequencies as Mother Nature's falling rainwater and is transmitted to the water or any beverage that you are drinking. Sample D without the water band. Here is the blood of another participant in the study after drinking 6 ounces of bottled water without the water band. Again, notice the clumping of red blood cells, not an ideal healthy state. Sample D with the water band. Here, the same person drinking 6 ounces of bottled water with the water band attached to the bottle. Make sure all your beverages are energized with Vibrational Living's water band. The main function of the red cell is to carry oxygen to the tissues and return carbon dioxide from the tissues to the lungs. The protein hemoglobin is responsible for most of this exchange. Normal red blood cells are round, have a small area of central pallor, and show only a slight variation in size. As the relative amount of hemoglobin in the red cell decreases or increases, the area of central pallor will decrease or increase accordingly. The membrane is composed of lipids and proteins. In addition, there are numerous enzymes present which are necessary for oxygen transport and cell viability. The mature red blood cell consists primarily of hemoglobin. The main function of the red blood cell is to carry oxygen to the tissues and return carbon dioxide from the tissues to the lungs. The protein hemoglobin is responsible for the most of this exchange. You have witnessed the amazing effect of using the water band. Welcome to the world of vibrational living.